we have clear vision where we want to go, and for sure the big focus will be in innovation.
Ivan, exciting times here, isn't it, at United Machining Solutions?
Yeah, it's super fantastic. On Mondays we have the grand opening, wonderful what we did in so short time. All the machine presented. We have on the booth 8 novelties, 6 from my division, new design, new atmosphere, really exciting.
I want to understand about the group. You've got United Grinding and United Machining. How does it function?
It's very simple. The past we were belonging to GF, and then we have this great opportunity because GF decided to concentrate on the piping, and then we join United Grinding. We don't have any overlapping on the product. United Grinding is concentrate on the different grinding, run grinding, flat grinding, tool cutting, tool grinding, and we continue exactly to do what we did in the past. Now we have much more synergy. We share some segment together, like the aerospace, like the medical segment, and on top we will continue, of course, to serve the customer, especially in the mold and die. Also very important, we invented the EDM. So now we want to even more emphasize the brand AGIE Charmilles, emphasize the company that invented the story. AGIE Charmilles for EDM, Charmilles for laser, Mikron Mill for the milling, and of course don't forget Liechti. That is one of the global player in the aerospace, with the possibility to integrate different technology, but also integrate the customer portfolio. With System 3R, we are one of the leading company when we talk about automation. So all the ingredient to serve better our customer are here. We have really customer dedication. I think that with the new setup, the focus on the customer service approach will even increase. And of course, we have many synergy in the group, because like Italians say, we cook the pasta with the water. Here we can really benchmark what we are doing together and improve together.
What's the vision for 5 years' time? Where do you think the business will be then?
I think that we have clear vision. I will not share the number. I cannot at this moment. But I tell you, we have clear vision where we want to go, and for sure the big focus will be in innovation. We are a Swiss company. If we don't differentiate ourselves with innovation, we will not survive.
What are the challenges that manufacturers are facing these days, which you believe your group will be able to solve?
We are a Swiss company, but we produce in China, we produce in US, we produce in Europe. So we have a global setup. We can serve our customer worldwide. I think that already today we can really answer to all the customer needs.
EMO 2025, this is the perfect launch pad, isn't it?
Absolutely. This was also the reason that on Monday we create this big show, because it's a new day for us as a United Machining Solution. We want also that our people really enjoy this momentum, because company at the end is made by the people.